Hello Pilates lovers, welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is a sequencing form targeting our neck, upper back, and shoulders after a great workout if you do boxing, training, sports, overhead activities, as well as if you're in the computer for a prolonged period of time with a forward head, rounded shoulder posture to open up and lengthen and strengthen and to relieve all the tension and stiffness of your neck, upper back, and shoulders. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay friends, we'll start sitting up first. You can get a roll towel or a pillow to place under your tush area to lengthen your spine. But if you can tolerate just sitting up straight, that would be great. Cross-legged. And slowly, let's warm up our shoulders. You're gonna hug yourself first and warm up. Gently look up, elbows up, take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. So we're slowly warming up. So we're just slowly doing upward rotation of your scapula, as well as shoulder flexion, your lats, and serratus anterior for those who does a lot of boxing movements, forward and punching movement like this. So we're opening your shoulders and your chest with your neck and blow. Take a deep breath, last one, and blow. So I started with my left over my right, and then you crisscross down with your right over left. And we'll do 3 times. 1 breath, 1 motion. Take a deep breath, belly button in, and blow. Feel that lovely movement of your shoulders. You might feel some popping and clicking on your shoulder and top near your deltoid. Last one, take a deep breath, belly button in, and blow. Now we're gonna progress with your elbows bent, left over right, and then palms together. If this is too difficult, continue with this motion and positioning. And now with the progression, gently lift your elbows and slowly look up. Feel that lovely stretch. Take a deep breath and down blow. Inhale through your nose up, belly button in, and blow. Last one, we'll do 3 times. Inhale up, belly button in, and down blow. Okay, now this time with your right over your left elbow, placing them together, hands clasp, and you'll realize one side is a little bit tighter and go up. Take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in, inhale through your nose. You'll realize your wrists are also tight and blow. Last one, take a deep breath, inhale, and down blow. Okay friends, now we're gonna place your hands behind you, clasp it behind you. So let me show it to you in this position. And then shoulder back. Take a deep breath and blow, and then relax. So I'm clasping my hands together like this in a twisted motion. My right is over the left and blow. And now you can switch it. And you realize it feels different when one side is over it and open. Take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in and blow. Feel that lovely stretch. The last one and blow. Now go back again with the left over right, and this time you're gonna lift it gently. Take a deep breath. Belly button in. I'll let me go sideways so you can see, and blow. So I'm slowly lifting it up off the back area, and we'll do it 3 times. Belly button in, and then up, and slowly look up to challenge that area and blow. Now, left over right, clasp your fingers and lift and blow with your breath. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Last one, take a deep breath and gently look up and blow. Now friends, we're gonna go to your hands and knees. And this time, I'm gonna do some trunk rotation. So my shoulders are leveled with my hands. Open your fingers out. Knees and hips square. Hands leveled with your shoulders and knees leveled with your hips. And now slowly open your hands out without really twisting your back area more, focusing on your shoulders and feel that lovely stretch on your pectoralis area. You take a deep breath and slowly go underneath, past the other shoulders, and twist. And turn your head, follow your hand, and blow. And then up again, take a deep breath. Open as much as you can, belly button in. And this time I'm really going down and almost like bending my other elbow to lean on the floor and stretch that upper back scapular area and blow. Take a deep breath, belly button in and down, blow. Twist and lean as much as I can and blow, and rest it there with my breaths and blow. And now let's do the other side. Open with your left, belly button in, take a deep breath and blow. All the way through and down. Deep breath up, belly button in, as high as you can and as much as you can as you open, until you feel a tugging pull without overstretching your shoulder area, and then down, blow. And this time I'm going to really go down and lean on an elbow until I feel a gentle pull. I'm following with my neck, with my hands, and gently press down for that lovely stretch on my back, upper back area. Up, last one, and you can do as much as you want. You can do up to 10 repetitions and down, blow. Let's do 2 breaths here. Belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath and blow. A lovely stretch. And now from this position, we're going to do a child pose, but not fully sitting on your tush. This time we're going to stretch our shoulders out. Slowly lean down. We're going to focus to stretch this area. Slowly lean down, stretch until you feel a lovely stretch on your shoulders area. And take a deep breath. Slowly lower as much as you can. Feel a lovely pull on your chest area. I'm slowly going further down until I feel a lovely stretch on my upper chest area. And then hold it there. You take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. And now I can feel a lovely stretch on my low back area as well as my upper back. You take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in and blow. And now if you want to target this area, you could crisscross by lifting your right arm over your left. And then you're gonna lean, take a deep breath and blow. And you're gonna feel a lot of release on your pectoralis minor. Now let's go back to the center with 2 breaths. Take a deep breath and blow. Inhale and blow. Now crisscross, belly button in, take a deep breath and blow. Inhale. And from this position, we are slowly going down to our stomach, lie hands down. You take a deep breath. We'll be doing some shoulder. Place it into 2 o'clock position, not 4 or 10 o'clock like a letter V. Place it at 2 o'clock. Slowly bend your knees. Stretch out your left shoulder. Slowly twist to the right. Lower your body and gently place your head to the mat, your ear touching the mat. Take a deep breath and blow. Stay here for a little bit to feel a lovely stretch on your pectoralis minor, your chest muscles. Take a deep breath and blow. Now slowly go back to the starting position in your stomach. Slowly lower your knee down. Bend your knees again. Slowly twist your body to the right one more time. Gently lean to the right. Feel the tugging pull on your chest muscle on your. Let's go back again to your stomach. Time. Slowly turn to the right.
twist your body, lower both feet down. Take a deep breath, feel a tugging pull on your chest area and hold it there. Inhale through your nose. Okay, this time we're going to the left side of our shoulders. Place your left arm to a 10 o'clock position. And now gently bend your knees. Slowly lean to the left. Gently push with your right shoulder to lean on your left shoulder and feel a gentle. Then slowly go back to your stomach. 2 more. Slowly push out. Lean to the left. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Slowly twist again to the left. All the way down of your feet on the floor. And then slowly go back down to the last one. Take a deep breath. Twist. Feel a lovely stretch all the way to your left shoulder area and your low back area. Take a deep breath and slowly go back down and blow. And that's it for now. We are going to sit up.
That was such a lovely Pilates physical therapy treatment plan to help your neck, upper back, chest area, to help your arm to be stronger again. Please like and subscribe my channel. Ring the notification bell for future updates just like this one. I upload videos every Wednesdays, Fridays, Sundays, and sometimes Mondays for Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness. You can also follow me on my social media, my Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and I also have Patreon account that you can support my channel so I can make better video qualities just like this one. Thanks again for joining me. Have a great and healthier you. Bye.